TestRigor Online Training. Introduction to TestRigor, Features and Benefits. TestRigor is a no-code test automation platform designed to simplify and accelerate the process of test automation for web and mobile applications. It focuses on enabling non-technical users, such as product managers and QA professionals, to build and maintain test scripts without writing code. Here's an overview of its features and benefits. Features of TestRigor. No-code test automation allows users to create and manage test scripts using simple natural language commands, eliminating the need for traditional programming skills. Test scripts can be written in plain English, making it accessible for non-developers. AI-driven test maintenance automatically handles test maintenance when the application's UI changes, reducing the time and effort required to update test cases. TestRigor uses AI to detect changes and adjusts the tests accordingly. Cross-platform support supports both web and mobile applications, making it versatile for various types of projects. Works across multiple browsers, example Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and mobile devices, iOS and Android. Advanced reporting and analytics provides detailed insights into test results, highlighting failures and offering actionable data for quicker issue resolution. Includes features such as visual reports, logs, and integration with CI/CD pipelines. Integrations seamlessly integrates with popular tools like Jira, Slack, GitHub, CircleCI, and more for streamlined workflows. Supports integration with other CI/CD tools, making it easier to integrate test automation into existing development pipelines. Scalability can handle large-scale testing environments with multiple tests running simultaneously. Ideal for enterprise-level projects that require robust test coverage and high-volume testing. Flexible test execution offers options to run tests on demand or schedule them, giving teams flexibility in when tests are executed. Supports running tests in parallel, speeding up the testing process. Visual test execution allows for visual testing by capturing screenshots of the application during test runs, making it easier to debug and track issues. Test data management. TestRigor supports managing test data, helping teams simulate different user scenarios and workflows efficiently. Automating web application testing with TestRigor. Automating web application testing with TestRigor involves creating and executing tests for your web applications using natural language, which makes it easy for both technical and non-technical users to write tests. TestRigor allows you to simulate real user behavior, and its powerful test automation features help to streamline the testing process. Steps to automate web application testing with TestRigor. Create an account and set up. Sign up for TestRigor and log into the platform. Integrate your test environment with your version control system, example GitHub, Bitbucket. Define test cases using natural language. Unlike traditional test automation tools, TestRigor allows you to write test cases in plain English. You can describe the steps you want the test to follow, such as: open the home page. Click the login button. Enter username, test user, and password 123. Verify that the dashboard is displayed. These commands are interpreted by TestRigor and converted into executable steps. Automate user interactions. You can automate user actions such as clicks, typing, navigating between pages, interacting with forms, and validating data. TestRigor supports complex user interactions, including drag and drop, drop-down selections, mouse movements, and more. Setup assertions. Assertions verify that your web application behaves as expected. You can set conditions like: verify that the login button is visible. Check if the error message contains invalid credentials. Ensure the product list contains item A. These checks ensure that the application performs as expected under various scenarios. Run tests on multiple browsers and devices. TestRigor allows for cross-browser testing, so you can test on different browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. It also supports testing across various devices and screen resolutions, ensuring your web application works well on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. Schedule and automate test execution. You can schedule tests to run at specific times or trigger them on code changes, CI/CD integration. Tests can run on a predefined schedule or as part of an automated build pipeline. Monitor and analyze test results. TestRigor provides detailed reports on test results, highlighting past and failed tests, and includes logs and screenshots for better analysis. This feedback can be used to diagnose issues quickly and resolve bugs efficiently. Enhancing test coverage with TestRigor for API testing. Enhancing test coverage with TestRigor for API testing can significantly improve the quality and reliability of your APIs. TestRigor is an AI-driven test automation platform designed to streamline testing processes, including API testing. Here are key strategies to enhance test coverage for API testing using TestRigor. 1. Automated test generation. AI-powered test cases. TestRigor uses AI to generate automated tests based on the expected behavior of your API. It can automatically create test cases by analyzing your API's documentation and endpoints. This can help ensure that no critical functionality is missed. Test creation without code. You don't need to write scripts manually. You can define tests using simple natural language commands, making it easy to cover all API scenarios without requiring extensive technical expertise. 2. Comprehensive API scenarios. Edge cases and error handling. Enhance test coverage by focusing on edge cases, invalid inputs, and error handling. TestRigor can help automate tests that check how your API responds to unexpected or malformed inputs. Request response validation. Validate both the request and response of your APIs. TestRigor checks if the API returns correct status codes, headers, and response bodies, ensuring your API performs as expected across a variety of inputs. 3. Integration with CI/CD pipelines. Continuous testing. Integrate TestRigor with your CI/CD pipeline to ensure that API tests are automatically triggered every time there's a change in the codebase. This will help you maintain test coverage during continuous development and deployment cycles. Rapid feedback. With TestRigor, You can receive rapid feedback on API test failures, allowing quick resolution of issues and minimizing downtime. 4. Performance testing. Load and stress testing. While API functional tests are important, performance testing ensures your API can handle heavy traffic. TestRigor can help automate load and stress tests to evaluate how the API performs under different conditions, enhancing test coverage in terms of performance. 5. Security testing. Authentication and authorization. Ensure your APIs handle authentication and authorization correctly, testing for vulnerabilities such as unauthorized access, incorrect permissions, and other security flaws. Common security flaws. TestRigor can be used to test for common security issues in APIs, such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, and other attacks, helping you enhance coverage in security aspects. 6. API regression testing. Backward compatibility. As your API evolves, it's important to ensure that new changes do not break existing functionality. TestRigor facilitates regression testing, automatically rerunning previous tests to ensure the API remains stable after updates. Version management. You can test multiple versions of your API using TestRigor, ensuring compatibility and smooth transition between versions, which contributes to robust test coverage over time. 7. Data-driven testing. Parameterization. You can run tests with different sets of data to check the robustness of your API. TestRigor supports data-driven testing, allowing you to automatically test APIs with various input combinations for enhanced coverage. Integrating TestRigor with CI/CD pipelines. Integrating TestRigor with CI/CD pipelines can significantly enhance the automated testing process by running tests automatically as part of your continuous integration and delivery workflow. Here's how you can integrate TestRigor with your CI/CD pipeline. Prerequisites. TestRigor account. Ensure you have a TestRigor account and that your tests are ready to be executed. CI/CD tool. You'll need a CI/CD platform such as Jenkins, GitLab CI, CircleCI, or others. API key. Generate the necessary TestRigor API key from your TestRigor account. Steps for integration. 1. Generate the TestRigor API key. Log into your TestRigor account. Navigate to the Settings section and find the API key or Integrations tab. Copy the API key for use in your CI/CD pipeline. 2. Set up a CI/CD pipeline. Jenkins example. A. Install the required tools in Jenkins. Ensure that you have the necessary tools like curl or HTTP request plugins installed in Jenkins to interact with external APIs. Best practices for writing test scripts in TestRigor. Writing effective test scripts in TestRigor requires adherence to best practices to ensure that the tests are robust, maintainable, and scalable. Below are some best practices for writing test scripts in TestRigor. 1. Use natural language syntax. Write in plain English. TestRigor uses a natural language syntax for writing test scripts. This makes the tests more readable and easier for non-developers to understand. Avoid technical jargon when possible. Keep your test scripts free of technical language to ensure that anyone on the team, including QA, product managers, and business stakeholders can easily interpret the scripts. 2. Keep test scripts simple and modular. Small, atomic tests focus on one specific action or behavior in each test case. Smaller tests are easier to maintain and debug. Modularize common steps. If you find yourself repeating certain actions across multiple tests, example, logging in, filling out a form, create reusable functions or test cases. This reduces duplication and makes maintenance easier. 3. Be descriptive and specific in test steps. Clearly describe actions and expectations. Each test step should clearly describe the action being performed. Example, click on the login button and the expected result. Example, the user is redirected to the home page. Use conditions and assertions. Always include expected outcomes for each step to verify that the action was successful. This can be done through assert statements like verify text is present or verify button is visible. 4. Follow a consistent naming convention. Consistency in naming steps and tests. Adopt a consistent naming convention for your test steps and test cases. This makes it easier to navigate through the test scripts and understand their purpose. Descriptive test case names. Test case names should indicate what the test is validating. For example, user can log in with valid credentials is more meaningful than test case 1. 5. Parameterize data for flexibility. Use variables for dynamic data. When writing tests that require input data, use variables to store values like user credentials, product names, or URLs. This allows you to reuse the test script with different inputs. Externalize test data. If your tests require a lot of external data, consider storing that data in separate files or data tables, making it easier to manage and update without modifying the test scripts themselves. 6. Version control your test scripts. Use source control. Just like application code, your test scripts should be stored in a version control system. Example, Git. This helps track changes, allows collaboration, and ensures that you can revert to earlier versions if needed. 7. Test for different scenarios. Positive and negative test cases. Ensure that your test scripts include both positive, valid input, and negative, invalid input test cases to verify the application's behavior in all scenarios. Edge cases and boundaries. Think of edge cases that might break the application, such as submitting extremely long inputs, empty fields, or special characters. Advanced reporting and analytics in test rigor. Advanced reporting and analytics in test rigor focuses on offering deep insights and enhanced visibility into the test execution, performance, and coverage of automated tests. Test rigor, as a test automation platform, is designed to allow testers to create and execute tests in natural language. Its advanced reporting and analytics features provide actionable insights to help teams identify bottlenecks, optimize test workflows, and ensure comprehensive test coverage. Key features of advanced reporting and analytics in test rigor. Real-time test results. Test rigor offers real-time reporting, providing immediate insights into the status of test executions. This allows teams to detect issues quickly and address them as soon as they arise, ensuring fast feedback loops. Customizable dashboards. Users can create custom dashboards to track key metrics and KPIs, such as pass-fail rates, test execution times, and more. Dashboards can be personalized based on the needs of different stakeholders, example test managers, developers, product owners. Test coverage reports. Detailed reports on test coverage highlight which features or parts of the application have been tested and where gaps exist. This helps ensure that critical paths and user scenarios are adequately tested, reducing the risk of defects in production. Trend analysis. Analytics in TestRigor can identify trends over time, such as test failure rates, test execution time trends, and stability of the testing environment. Trend analysis helps teams anticipate recurring issues and optimize the test suite for better performance. Detailed logs and error analysis. For every test, TestRigor generates detailed logs that include screenshots, videos, and error messages to help developers and testers diagnose issues. These logs also provide insights into the root cause of failures, making it easier to pinpoint issues and fix them quickly. Execution performance analytics. TestRigor tracks and reports on test execution performance, enabling teams to optimize the testing process. Metrics like execution time per test case, batch execution performance, and resource consumption are monitored to improve the efficiency of the test pipeline. Comparative reporting. The platform supports comparative reports, allowing users to compare test results across different test runs, versions, or environments. This is useful for tracking progress across releases or identifying patterns that may affect stability. Exporting and sharing reports. Users can export test reports in various formats, including PDF, CSV, or Excel, for further analysis or sharing with stakeholders. The ability to easily share test reports ensures that relevant parties can access the results and make data-driven decisions. Performance testing with TestRigor. Key techniques. Performance testing with TestRigor focuses on evaluating the scalability, stability, and responsiveness of applications under varying conditions. Here are key techniques to consider when conducting performance testing using TestRigor. 1. Load testing. Objective: determine how the application behaves under expected user load. How to test: simulate multiple concurrent users interacting with the system using TestRigor's load testing capabilities. This helps identify how many users the system can handle before performance begins to degrade. Key metrics: response times, error rates, throughput, and resource usage, CPU, memory. 2. Stress testing. Objective: evaluate the application's behavior under extreme conditions, pushing it beyond normal operating capacity. How to test: TestRigor can help simulate an overwhelming number of users or extreme data loads. The goal is to determine the system's breaking point and assess how it recovers from failure. Key metrics: maximum load capacity, recovery time, failure modes, and system stability under pressure. 3. Spike testing. Objective: measure how the system handles sudden, sharp increases in load. How to test: using TestRigor's ability to simulate traffic spikes, you can observe the system's response to rapid changes in user demand, such as a sudden surge in web traffic or data input. Key metrics: latency, error rates, and resource consumption during rapid load increases. 4. Endurance testing, soak testing. Objective: ensure the system can handle a continuous load over an extended period. How to test? TestRigor supports running tests over long durations, simulating continuous activity over several hours or even days. This helps identify issues like memory leaks or performance degradation over time. Key metrics: memory usage, CPU load, response time, and database health during long-term usage. 5. Scalability testing. Objective: test the system's ability to scale both horizontally and vertically. How to test? Using TestRigor, you can simulate an increase in user traffic and check if the system efficiently scales up with additional resources or users. This can help determine if infrastructure upgrades are needed to maintain performance. Key metrics: resource utilization, example CPU, RAM, throughput, and transaction times under varied load conditions. 6. Performance bottleneck identification. Objective: identify specific areas where performance issues occur. How to test? TestRigor allows for deep diagnostics of performance bottlenecks. This includes evaluating server response times, database queries, network latency, and system resource consumption. Key metrics: database response time, server utilization, and network throughput. Why choose ProExcellency for TestRigor online training? Choosing ProExcellency for TestRigor online training offers several key benefits that make it a strong choice for individuals and organizations looking to enhance their test automation skills. Expert-led training. ProExcellency offers training conducted by experienced professionals with deep knowledge in test automation and TestRigor, ensuring that learners gain valuable insights from industry experts. Comprehensive curriculum. The training is structured to cover both fundamental and advanced topics, helping learners from different backgrounds, whether beginners or experienced testers, to grasp core concepts and complex automation techniques. Hands-on practice. ProExcellency's approach focuses on practical, hands-on training, enabling learners to apply theoretical knowledge to real-world scenarios. This helps to build confidence and competence in using TestRigor for test automation. Customizable learning paths. The training can be tailored to fit the specific needs of learners, whether they're individual testers, teams, or organizations looking to implement TestRigor into their workflows. This customization ensures that the training is aligned with the goals of the participants. Up-to-date content. ProExcellency ensures that the training content is always current with the latest developments in TestRigor and the test automation industry. This provides learners with relevant and actionable knowledge. Supportive learning environment. ProExcellency offers continuous support during the learning process, helping participants resolve doubts, troubleshoot issues, and optimize their learning experience. Cost-effective solutions. ProExcellency provides high-quality training at competitive pricing, making it an accessible choice for individuals and businesses seeking to optimize their testing processes without breaking the budget. Certification and career advancement. Upon completion, Learners receive certification that adds value to their resumes and enhances their career prospects in test automation and quality assurance roles. Thank you.